Welcome, fellow wellness seeker. It sure is grand to see you again. It's your favorite herbal educator, the wise, the great, the, let's carry on. It's your old buddy, the Green Man here, and boy, do I have a treat for you. Today, we're exploring an ancient herb that has been used for centuries for its powerful medicinal properties, St. John's wort. No, it's not an actual wart, folks. I'll explain. We'll dive into its botanical name, fascinating history, and the many ways it has been used throughout the ages. And best of all, yours truly will be narrating, yes. So, as I was saying, whether you're interested in natural remedies or just curious about plant history, this bud's for you. St. John's wort is known scientifically as Hypericum perforatum. The name Hypericum is derived from the Greek words hyper, above, and icon, image, referring to its historical use of hanging the plant above religious icons to ward off evil spirits. Take that, holy water. Evil eye our mothers-in-law across the land. Ha, I jest. Perforatum refers to the small perforation-like dots visible on the leaves which give the plant its unique, almost translucent appearance when held up to the light. I like to call these little dots fairy dust. These tiny oil glands hold many of the plant's active compounds, giving it its medicinal power. They additionally help the flower to emit its characteristic stunning red hue when squished between the fingers. This perennial herb is native to Europe, but has spread across various parts of the world, including North America and Asia. But it's not an invasive. You'll find it in small clusters only, so be sure not to harvest too much at a time. The fairies don't like it. It thrives in sunny, well-drained areas and is easily recognized by its vibrant yellow flowers, which typically bloom around late June, close to the feast day of St. John the Baptist, hence its common name, St. John's wort. Another way to track St. John's wort's bloom time is to look out for it during the summer solstice, or midsummer, as I like to fondly call it. The brilliant yellow flower buds will remind you of its connection to the brightest and longest day of the year. It's as if the flowers are mini-suns themselves. St. John's wort has a rich history dating back over 2,000 years. It was used by ancient Greeks such as Hippocrates and Dioscorides, who praised its healing abilities. Don't be a Hippocrate and disregard his wisdom. In fact, Dioscorides, the famed Greek physician, wrote about its use in treating wounds, burns, and nerve pain in his medical texts. During the Middle Ages, St. John's wort gained a reputation as a powerful protective herb. Too bad it couldn't protect against dragons, though. Many a kingdom would have been saved. People believed it could ward off evil spirits and bad luck, especially around Midsummer's Eve, a time associated with mystical energies. It was commonly hung in homes, above doorways, or burned as incense to protect against negative influences. The name St. John's wort itself is tied to Christian tradition, as the herb's bright yellow flowers were said to bloom around June 24th, the feast day of St. John the Baptist. Over time, the plant became intertwined with religious and folk customs throughout Europe, as did so many common herbs and plants. St. John's wort has been used for a variety of medicinal purposes throughout history. As with most plants, its primary uses can be divided into two categories, topical and internal. Here are some topical uses. Historically, St. John's wort was used externally to treat wounds, burns and bruises, pretty much anything that ails the skin. The crushed flowers with their brilliant crimson hue were often made into poultices or oils to help accelerate wound healing and reduce inflammation. In modern herbal medicine, St. John's wort oil is still used to relieve muscle pain and treat skin conditions like minor burns and eczema. Now for some internal uses. One of the most well-known uses of St. John's wort today is as a natural remedy for mild to moderate depression and anxiety. In fact, it has even been prescribed as a remedy for SAD, or seasonal affective disorder, or as I like to call it, God, I miss the sun disorder. Did I teach you yet about the benefits of the sun? I believe I wrote a short on it. Check it out. The plant's active compounds, such as hypericin and hyperforin, are believed to increase levels of serotonin, dopamine, and other neurotransmitters associated with mood regulation. The herb can be drank as a tea for more mild effects or taken as a tincture for a more potent dosage. In the past, it was also used to treat nerve-related pain, such as sciatica and neuralgia. Some have even infused it into olive oil to use as a topical oil or blended it with beeswax to make a healing salve. Herbalists would prepare teas or tinctures to ease pain and support the nervous system. It's important to note that while St. John's wort is widely available as a supplement today, it can interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider before using it as a treatment. They made me say that, yes? In recent years, scientific research has supported some of the traditional uses of St. John's wort, particularly its role in managing depression. Multiple studies have shown that it can be as effective as conventional antidepressants for mild to moderate depression, with fewer side effects. Now, we know who won't like that, don't we? Sorry. However, more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms and potential long-term effects. Beyond mental health, St. John's wort continues to be used in creams, oils and tinctures to support overall skin and nerve health. Its ability to reduce inflammation makes it a popular choice for natural first aid kits. While St. John's wort offers many health benefits, it's important to be mindful of its interactions with prescription medications, particularly those used for blood thinning, birth control and antidepressants. Always consult a healthcare provider before incorporating it into your wellness routine to ensure it's safe for your specific situation. And there you have it. St. John's wort is a fascinating and quite stunning herb with a long history of both mystical and medicinal uses. It might be just what the Green Man, doctor ordered for mild major depression, dysthymia, or even seasonal affective disorder, and might be your ticket to alleviating nerve pain and sciatica if taken either internally or topically as an infused oil or salve. Whether you're looking to boost your mood naturally or care for your skin and nerves, this plant has stood the test of time as a natural remedy. Remember to look out for it around midsummer when the sun is brightest in the sky. Whether you're using it for mental health, skincare or relaxation, St. John's wort is a powerful herb that has been cherished for centuries. Embrace its ancient power and discover the benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Green Man Wellness and hit that bell for more content on ancient herbal wisdom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta. For now, my darlings.